Alright guys, we've just been for a nice meal and we went to spend time at the seaside for a bit, and then now we're going back to our room. So tomorrow will be our flight back home in the evening, and it's been a nice nice time in here. So yeah, good stuff. Alice now tired, she's knackered. Hey dude, do you wanna say hi before we go going back to our hotel and our room, I mean hotel room. And yeah, so we're on the first floor. Go. Say go on. Oh, pila man? How much? 3 pounds. 3 euro.
And
Ali, give to mommy. Ali.
so also one more game with the ball thing tomorrow.
Yeah.
So the basketball and then the
Yeah.
and the pool. We'll have one more go in the what's that again? The ball.
Basketball.
No, not basketball. We're gonna have that first and then the one where we went.
Oh, the billiards.
Yeah, so if we go with the billiards again tomorrow before we leave.
Yeah, we can do.
Yeah.
Careful, it might get stuck again. See?
Yeah, toss it over there.
What's going on?